All right, let's look at this problem and see if we can factor it. Of course, the first thing we do is always look for a greatest common factor. And so in this case, we can divide both of these by 2. Yeah, so let's do that. They'll both divide by 2. So that leaves us 18 divided by 2 is 9, x squared, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. And now we have one of those wonderful patterns that's so helpful with factoring quickly. And if the pattern doesn't work, it doesn't work. But when it works, it's super nice. Notice that the first term here is a perfect square because 3 times 3 is 9 and x times x is x squared. And then the second part is a perfect square because not the negative part, but the 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And the negative is super important though. You've got to have a minus sign in the middle for this pattern to even work. If this was a plus sign, then you would just stop here. That would be the end of it. But because it is a minus sign, we can go ahead and bring down the 2 and put 2 sets of parentheses, and we'll write the square root of the first term. So the square root of 9x squared is 3x. Square root of the last term is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And then put 1 parentheses with a plus and 1 with a minus, and we have our factored form. So always check for a greatest common factor no matter what kind of factoring you're looking at. And there you go. This is a nice little shortcut essentially, but it's really just a factoring pattern, and it's called the difference of two squares. I hope that helps. See you next time.